take a look. From afar, it's a KTM, right? Looks like KTM chassis, but wait a minute, what is this? A Suzuki Bandit 1200 motor. Are you kidding me? Take a look. What an amazing piece of engineering. I got Joey the Rev Limiter here. Joey, how in the heck did you get a Bandit 1200 motor in this KTM chassis?
I was actually fortunate enough to find this bike completely built, and just had to add a few things to it to make it a little better for myself. But it's a great bike overall. She's a runner.
What's it like to ride?
It's pretty wicked. To be honest, these big street bike motors in these bikes are something else. There's nothing like it. Motocross is fun, but throwing your leg over a street bike going up a mountain is wicked.
Is it a challenge because the motor's so much heavier?
Yeah, you know, these bikes are, you know, over 300 pounds, so the weight's huge on it, and then you extend them, so you really just gotta ride them.
You're running the open category. What type of fuel do you use?
In this one, I'm actually just running some MR12 BP fuel.
So you go with the MR12. Here, now you decided not to, you're allowed to run nitro if you want, right? You're allowed to run nitrous. Why'd you opt to just stay on gas?
Nitro is a whole nother ball game. You know, every time you start it, you got to drain the oil, and it's a lot more bike maintenance. This is my second full season doing this, so nitro is something that's been talked about, but it's not in our ballpark yet. So.
Gotcha, man. It is wild. I know a lot of these guys out there had this motor on the highway cranked up to 100 miles an hour or above. You've got it going up this massive hill here. I mean, what's it feel like?
Oh, there's nothing like it. I mean, 450s are cool. You know, they're easy to ride, but then you throw your leg over a 1200cc bike and you got all the power that you ever need.
Notice there's a lot of different size engines out here. Guys have different preference. Some guys run, why do you think some guys run the smaller motors?
A little bit more controllable to ride. You can finesse the hills a little bit better, but once you get to the open bike class, they're all big bikes. And they're not that easy to ride, but they're a hoot.
Thank you for showing us, man. I appreciate it. It's an awesome bike. Good luck to you too today.
Thank you.
Why do they call you the Rev Limiter, by the way?
I tend never to let off. I hold her wide open the whole time.
That's a good thing, right?
Yep.
There you go, man. Thanks for showing us.
Yep.
Let's give you one more look at this big Bandit 1200. Can you believe it? And a KTM chassis. It's an awesome motorcycle here in Tracy, California.
Into the number 3 spot.